All right, let's go. It'd be better if you had the canes in your hand.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Yeah. Then they'll know I am.
Yeah. Yep.
Somebody there? What? Yes, it is.
Can you show us your knees where you had it on?
Yes.
Okay, and how long have you had them on for now?
About 20 minutes.
And how did you feel?
When I first put them on, a few minutes afterwards, I started feeling the relief from the pain in the knee, and it's getting better and better. Now I'm standing on one leg with that knee, and I would never have done that. With this leg, I would never have stood on one leg without I have to balance myself. I lost weight because of my knees. I lost about 50 pounds because of my knees are bad. And well, I need to lose it too, but I did that because of my knees hurt so bad. And they are, some of the pressure is off, but the pains sometimes unreal. And I appreciate it, and I'm going to get some from you, which you order me some. So Jehovah sent you over here today.
Okay, thank you very much.
You. All right.
Right, bye now.